Okay, so the bully form manager located right here. Let me go ahead and click into that. And this bully form manager is actually what you're going to use, whether it's enabled or disabled, will actually show the bully form. So let me go ahead and I'll cancel out of this and I'll open up home in another tab and enable the quick icons because the bully forms will always be placed into the icons here. Let me just see. Yep, they are there. And let me go ahead and enable the bully module. And you'll see no bullying there. Okay, fantastic. So some other things with the bully form manager is when it's enabled, we can require contact info. So let me go ahead and pull up the bully form here. You'll see we have all sorts of information required in this form here. But this, if comfortable, please provide us with contact information is not required. Now we can change that by checking off this box to require contact information so that they cannot submit this without this being filled in. We can also require CAPTCHA. So this will place a CAPTCHA on this bully form so that anybody trying to spoof you, basically any kind of spam bot, that's generally what we call them, any sort of spam bot that's combing your site looking for forms to fill out to send you spam. This required CAPTCHA will actually prevent the spam bot from sending you that spam. The next portion of this is for all of your schools, you can place an email into these fields and multiple emails. It's comma delimited here. But this email will actually be notified whenever this form is actually filled out and submitted. So for each of your schools, you'll want to place, the superintendent or, the person in charge of really handling any bully forms that are submitted. This last portion is just a link to your bully report. So if you don't want to enable this, you can go ahead and disable this. And your bully form should still be able to be accessed. This form was disabled by website administrators. Okay, so your bully form should still be able to be accessed even with this disabled. But this link here is actually just a link for you to place uh, into your navigation or wherever you'd like to place it really. My particular ones actually disable this. Um, my particular bullet form is actually disabled whenever this is disabled, but you may want to place that somewhere else, not necessarily in the quick icons. But that's essentially how the bully form works.